One cold, windy evening, Husky was heading back to his burrow when he heard a soft hoot above. He looked up and saw a baby owl clinging to a high tree branch, swaying in the wind. Husky quickly climbed a small rock near the tree and spoke gently. "Don't be scared. I'll help you down." Using a fallen vine, he created a makeshift rope for the owl to grip. With some struggle, the baby owl fluttered down safely. "Thank you," it hooted softly, still trembling from the fear. The next day, Husky tried to get some berries near the same tree, but the branch he stepped on cracked, and Husky was left dangling above the ground. The baby owl saw Husky in trouble and quickly flew up, pecking the vines to help untangle Husky's feet. Husky landed safely on a pile of leaves. From that day, Husky and the owl became the best of friends, always watching out for one another, no matter how high or low.